Good, happy Wednesday evening. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this evening edition of New Hampshire Life with Riley King. Let's begin. Take a look at this photo right here. Subway Challenge campaign helps homeless restaurants in Concord. Woman raises money to buy lunches for Friendly Kitchen. A new effort to feed the homeless in Concord is helping out one sandwich at a time. For 40 years, the Friendly Kitchen in Concord has hosted those in need and served them food. Between 48,000 and 50,000 meals a year, said Valerie Guy, executive director of the Friendly Kitchen. When the pandemic hit, the soup kitchen had to switch to takeout, and that's when a local Subway restaurant teamed up with a Friendly Kitchen supporter. You know, being a healthcare worker, I'm always used to helping, said Gail Auger, who was recently furloughed from work. Auger said she called her friend Dave Beckwith at Subway in Concord with a message. She said, "I want to help the homeless and the hungry, but I also want to help the restaurant industry. I know the restaurant industry is hurting," Beckwith said. "She thought of me." The two came up with the Subway Challenge. Auger collected donations and used them to have Dave's Subway restaurants make up dozens of boxed meals. Each Friday, the meals are handed out to those in need at the Friendly Kitchen. "It's great," Guy said. "A lot of times they get the same old stuff. It's exciting when you get something like that from a restaurant." Beckwith and Auger called it a win-win. Subway can keep employees working and those in need are fed. They're challenging other people to donate so they can keep the Friday Subway Challenge going. And it's off to a good start. She raised enough right now to supply them through the end of June, Beckwith said. Beckwith said she hoped to raise enough money to keep the campaign going through the rest of the year. Anyone who wants to help can find more information on the Friendly Kitchen Facebook page. And that does it for this Wednesday evening edition of New Hampshire Life with Riley King. Thank you for watching this Wednesday evening edition of New Hampshire Life with Riley King. Have a great rest of your evening. I'll see you back here tomorrow for another edition of New Hampshire Life with Riley King. Good night and bye, everyone.